Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Audi remote key fob. All we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case at this point here so we can access the battery. We do that by getting our flat-headed screwdriver and just in the indentation here, halfway down at the back of the key, we put the blade inside and we give it a wiggle and we're just prising it away from the clip that holds it in place. And there you go, we split the two halves of the case. Now the battery is located in here and you can just, with your fingers and thumbs, just open the case and there is your battery. We just get our little screwdriver, get underneath it, and we just pop it out of its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. It's just time to pop it back together. We pop it back in its housing, the battery, making sure on this one that the writing is facing downwards, like so you know it's in its correct location. Pop the two halves of the case back together, make sure it clicks. Now it's time to put the two halves of the case. Make sure it clicks, and there you go, it's all done.